In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a specific color in Photoshop. Start by opening the image you want to edit in Adobe Photoshop. Once it loads, look over to the Layers panel, usually on the right side. You should see your image as a layer there. If it appears as a background with a small lock icon, that means it's locked and can't be edited directly. Click the lock icon to unlock it, so any adjustments you make can be applied smoothly. Next, we'll set this up in a non-destructive way using an adjustment layer. With your image layer selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the adjustment layer icon. It looks like a half-filled circle. From the list that appears, choose Hue Saturation. This creates a new adjustment layer above your image and opens the Hue Saturation Properties panel. Using an adjustment layer keeps your original image intact, making it easy to tweak or turn off the effect later. Now let's target the exact color you want to change. In the Properties panel, click the hand icon, also known as the Targeted Adjustment tool. Move your cursor over the area of the image with the color you want to change, maybe a green shirt, a blue car, or a red sign, and click. Photoshop automatically selects that color range for you, which saves time and keeps the edit focused. With the color range selected, use the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to dial in the look. Hue shifts the color itself, like changing green to blue or red to orange. Saturation controls intensity. Slide left to mute the color or right to make it more vivid. Lightness makes the selected color brighter or darker. You can also click and drag directly on the image, while the targeted adjustment tool is active to fine-tune the hue or saturation based on where you drag, which feels very intuitive. If you already know the color range you want, you can manually choose it from the drop-down in the hue saturation panel, such as reds, yellows, or blues. Then adjust the sliders just as before for precise control. Because this adjustment uses a separate layer, your edit is completely non-destructive. Toggle the eye icon next to the hue saturation layer to compare the before and after at any time. If you need to refine the look, just revisit the sliders. Once you're happy with the result, you can keep the adjustment layer as is or continue editing your image with other tools. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.